Namaskaram and good morning. Welcome to this morning meditation to start your day with positive intention. Please find a comfortable position to sit. You can sit in cross-legged position on the floor, or you can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your back straight but relaxed, and rest your hands gently on your lap, palms facing up. Now gently close your eyes and begin to observe the natural flow of your breath. Now we're going to take conscious deep breaths. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Now hold your breath for a moment and gently release the breath out through your nose again. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath. Gently release the breath out through your nose. Continue to do this practice for a few moments. Every time you inhale, become aware of the present moment. And every time you exhale, letting go of any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, holding the breath for a moment, and release out through your nose. Each time when you inhale and exhale, allow yourself to become more present, more centered. Now let your breath flow naturally. And as you continue to breathe naturally, be more aware of the present moment through the natural flow of the breath, the ingoing and outgoing breath. Every ingoing and outgoing breath represents the present moment flowing through you. While you're observing the breath, feel the weight of your body. Feel where the body is connecting to the ground or to the chair, becoming aware of the moment with your breath and through your body. Notice any sensations in your body, the touch of your clothes, the temperature of the body, the touch of the air to the body, or maybe any sound that you can hear along with my voice. Now become fully aware of your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your belly as you inhale, as you exhale naturally. There is no need to change your breath. Just observe it, following each inhalation and exhalation with your mind in each moment. Imagine with each inhalation, you are drawing in positive energy filling your body and mind with light and warmth. And with each exhalation, release any negativity, stress, or worry. Let it all go. Watch it dissolve into the air around you. Surrender everything to the universe in this present moment. As you continue to breathe naturally, mentally repeat the following affirmations. Feel each word resonate within you. You can repeat after me in your mind. I am a calm person. I welcome this new day with open arms and a positive mind. I am grateful for the opportunities this day will bring. I am strong, capable, and confident. I choose to be happy and spread positivity to those around me. Take a moment to reflect on these affirmations. Feel every word within you, mean every word within you. Now, visualize your day unfolding in front of you. See yourself moving through your day with ease and grace. Picture yourself handling any challenges with confidence and a positive attitude. See yourself spreading kindness and positivity in every interaction. Feel the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction as you imagine completing your task and goals for the day. Hold on to this feeling, letting it fill you with motivation and energy. Continue to visualize your day turning into a beautiful, confident, and a positive day. Now shift your attention back to the present moment through the breath. And remind yourself that with this breath and every breath, you're going to move towards the best day of your life. With this understanding, we will come to the end of this meditation. Be aware of the natural flow of your breath. Feel the rejuvenation, feel the gratification, feel the positivity within you. Join your palms together. Rub your palms together. Generate some warmth, generate some heat. Place your palms over your eyes. Feel the warmth and heat on your eyes, reaching all the way to your heart. Feel the warmth, compassion in your heart. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your hand down and get ready for this wonderful day. And remember, you have the power to create positivity around you, to make this day a wonderful day. And carry this positive energy with you and let it guide you through whatever comes your way. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Om Shanti.